final clip, we now have to check and see that our muffins are finished. So what we're going to do is what I call the toothpick test. And very simple. You're going to take your toothpick, stick it into one of the muffins, and you just want to see if indeed the muffins are finished. They may require a little bit more than the 20 minutes. So take your toothpick, stick it in toward one of the muffins, and just in fact see, is the batter done? Is it thick? Are they cooked, or is there still sort of some of the runny batter inside? If it is still a little bit runny, give it a few extra minutes. Not a problem. Just don't go far from your oven. Keep an eye on the muffins because you don't want them to burn. So we'll put the toothpick down and we're ready to take these delicious muffins out of the oven. So we've got a dozen muffins here. I've still got a little bit of my batter left. So you'll want to maybe make a few more with that. And as you can see, these are delicious if you've got friends coming over, but especially for the holidays, what I always like to do is to have the Morning Glory breakfast for Christmas morning. Nothing beats it.